No. What is happening? Stop! Josie from Spray Tans by Jodes. Now I do apologise because I've got a cold, so I probably sound really annoying and like snotty and bunged up. So apologies for that, but I did want to get a video out this week. Because I promised you all. I know I did say that I was doing the what was it? The how to remove tan. But that had like loads of demonstrations in it, and obviously I'm not feeling like 100%, so I thought this one would just be better. It's a little bit of a sit down, just a little bit of a chat basically, so it was just a lot easier for me to record, edit and get it out for you this week. So that's why we're doing this one today. I've also had a tip off someone to look into the camera when I'm speaking, which is quite hard because I'm recording on my phone, so like there's a giant screen with just me on it and I'm so tempted to look, but I'm going to try my best not to. So today's video is going to be all about how to prep your skin before a spray tan or self-tanning. Now, prepping your skin is the most important part of the whole process. If you don't prep your skin properly, your tan isn't going to look nice, it's going to be patchy, it's going to be streaky, it's going to fade quickly, it's going to start to go like flaky. Like, it's really important to make sure that your skin is prepped so that your tan is literally like full. And to all the spray tan technicians out there as well, providing your clients with the right prep is like so important. If you want to provide a really high quality service, then you need to be telling your clients how to prep the skin, how to look after the skin. It's so important. So before you start absolutely anything whatsoever, you need to learn your skin type. You need to know if you're dry, if you're oily, if you're combination, if you're sensitive, and all your products that you use, your shower gels, your face washes, your moisturisers, everything needs to be in correlation to like what correlation is that even the right word? I don't know, I think I've just made that up. It needs to match what your skin type is. So I've also just noticed that all the makeup on my nose is currently coming off because I keep blowing my nose. So apologies if that's annoying you, because if I was watching someone's video and they had no makeup on the nose, it would annoy me. So the first step to prepping your skin, assuming at this point that we've got like literally no tan on whatsoever, is your shaving. So you want all your shaving and your waxing, if you do any, to be done the day before your tan. Now, this is purely because people always say, can't I just shave on the morning? Yeah, you can, but if you shave that morning, all your pores are going to be open, and when you get a spray tan, all the tan's going to go in your pores and it's going to leave it like black and dotty. I don't know whether you've ever seen that before or experienced it yourself, but that's why that happened, because all your pores are open. So to prevent that, if you do absolutely have to shave on the day, then having a cold shower for about 3 to 5 minutes, but like when I mean cold, after you've shaved will close all your pores up. But the best advice I can possibly give anyone is to just do it the day before. Save yourself the cold shower. So the next little tip to prepping your skin is to make sure that your elbows, your feet, your ankles, your wrists, everywhere that clogs up the tan is like really dry. You make sure that throughout the week, before the months, before your whole life, that they are the most nourished part of your body. You want them thick in moisturiser. However, do not moisturise the day of your tan, and we'll talk about why in a little minute, but do not. Okay, so what you want to do next is you want to get yourself a pair of these. Now, these were £1 in Home and Bargain. If you're not from Liverpool, you will call it Home Bargains. They are basically just exfoliating gloves. Exfoliating your skin before your tan is literally the biggest tip and advice and point I will ever make in my whole entire life. You need to exfoliate. It's an absolute must. If you don't exfoliate, you're not getting a tan. It's as simple as that. I'm going to put a ban on it from now. Like, honestly, these are the best things in the whole entire world, and they're £1. Like, you literally can't complain. You're buying all these tans for like 15, 20, £30, some of them. get yourself a pair of £1 exfoliating gloves and exfoliate before you put it on, and it'll be a million times nicer. So basically what exfoliating does is it removes the top layer of your skin. Now the top layer of your skin is just all dead skin cells, so it's not painful like it sounds painful, like you're literally scrubbing a layer of skin off. But it's not. And don't scrub, don't make your arms dead sore, don't make them like a luminous red, like no, don't do that. Be gentle with your skin, look after your skin. But yeah, basically what it does is removes the top layer of your skin, which is just purely dead skin cells, and it'll leave you dead smooth, and it's basically like a dead clean canvas for when you're putting tan on top. You can exfoliate using loads of different things. It doesn't have to just be the gloves. You can get mitts, you can get body scrubs and stuff. But I find these are the cheapest and they work perfectly, absolutely perfect. So we want all that to be done the day before our spray tan, or the day before that we are applying false tan. Now the day of your spray tan, it's a little bit different. So you want to get a shower in the morning and you want to use not cold but like lukewarm water, not like roasting hot water. You want to use it quite cool. So obviously shower as normal, but all your shower gels and stuff, you want them non-moisturising if you can help it. I know it's a bit of a pain because like who looks at the bottles? Like we just buy it, don't we? But you want a non-moisturising one. Now this is purely because if you've got moisturiser on your skin, it causes a barrier to the tan, so it can either stop it from going as dark, or it can basically like not pick up whatsoever, and when you wash it off the next day it's just going to be like rubbish and you're not going to be very happy. So no moisturiser the day of. Also, your perfumes and deodorants can cause your tan to turn green. So it's really important that the day of your tan you don't wear any deodorants or perfumes. Obviously sometimes that's a little bit awkward if you've got an appointment in the night time, you're going to be like, I stink basically. So at least try and remove, don't use as much, and try and remove absolutely all of it before you get your tan done, otherwise it is going to turn you green. Or if it doesn't turn you green, it's going to make you have like white armpits. It's going to be like, it's basically they're all just barriers. Moisturiser, deodorant, perfumes, makeup, anything like that is all a barrier to your tan. So a quick little overview: exfoliate, shave and moisturise 24 hours before. The day of your tan, no moisturiser, no makeup, no deodorant, no perfumes, and a nice lukewarm shower, not a hot shower. This just helps your pores to be closed. So yeah, that's just basically an overview of it. I'm going to end this video here because that's basically all my little tips and tricks for a nice, smooth, flawless. So if you do have any other questions about anything I've spoke about in this video, or anything in general really, you can go and follow me on Instagram and send me a DM on there. It's Spray Tans by Jodes. Or you can comment down below, I'll answer everybody. So yeah, get in touch, tell me what you want to know, ask me your questions, tell me any videos that you want to see, any good pointers. I've got quite a few lined up, but if there's anything in particular that you do want to see, just let me know. I'll try and do my best for absolutely everybody. So I'm just very sorry that this video was very like quickly done and what have you, and it might have been a little bit rushed, but I'm not feeling very well and I did want to get a video out for you. I'm hoping that the angles and stuff is better, and the fact that I'm looking in the camera but I'm not no more, I'm looking at the screen again. So I will learn, I'll get used to looking in the camera. So yeah, I'm just hoping basically that this is a little bit better than the last one. Let me know any other tips and tricks that you have got to make my videos a little bit better, then I'll be forever grateful of that as well. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. So much snot.